So one of the options, if you're having troubles getting the SEK version of Solidworks installed, is that you can use the off-site virtual desktop. So if you go to the SHU Space site and you log yourself in, and then just search for the term virtual desktop in the search bar here, and at the top of the list, when you do that search, this option here, Windows Virtual Desktop, will take you to this page. And essentially, because you're on an engineering course, you will get access to, amongst other things, the off-site version of Solidworks here. So you'll run the virtual desktop software, you'll log in using your normal login details, and then you'll get access to a suite of sort of engineering focused programs. And as I say, one of those should be Solidworks. So that's another option. I won't run through all the sort of installation of the Windows Virtual Desktop software itself, because there's lots of information on here. So you can see there's a section on installing that software on your own device. There's links. There's a little video there as well that pops up, so you can watch that video back, and it will sort of guide you through installing the virtual desktop software. So what you need to do is go away and do that, put the virtual desktop software on your machine, get that software running, log in using your normal login details, and then I'll restart this video when we're at that point and just show you that Solidworks has all the features that we need when you're running it in this way. So here we are. I've actually installed the Windows Virtual Desktop, and I'm just about to log in. So here's the engineering desktop option. So if I double click on there, now I've already logged in once, so you can see my login details are already there. So then we go through here, and it'll either send you a confirmation code to your phone or to an app. So my sign in was verified there, and you can see the engineering desktop's just booting up now. So here we can see I've signed into the remote desktop. So if we just go down to the menu here and type Solidworks 2020 should appear, and then we can run that. And it looks like on the remote access we've now upgraded to 2020-2021 version. So that's good. And here we are, we've dropped into the standard Solidworks splash screen that you get when you first boot in. And if we just have a little look, we'll have a play around and just check that the simulation settings that we're going to need have actually been installed on this version. So I'm going to create a fresh part. And you can see lots of extra tabs are available at the top here. We're going to go back to the Features tab, just turn our planes, the visibility of the planes on, and we'll create a simple extruded plate. So the actual sizes of this doesn't really matter. This is just a little experiment just to check that the simulation functionality is working. So you can see I've just extruded a simple plate, and then what I'm looking for is the simulation tab. So you can see that that is available, which is good for us. And then I'm going to create a new study, just the standard static study, and I'm going to quickly just apply some material to my part, make one of the faces fixed, and then apply a force to one of the other faces, so maybe this face here, and then give that force a magnitude. And then I'm quickly going to mesh and run, and this is just to check that the simulation options that we're going to need are actually going to be available in this this version of Solidworks. So that all looks okay, that looks fine. So the simulation options are actually available on the virtual desktop version of Solidworks that you can get access to. So if you're having trouble installing the Student Engineering Kit or SEK version, then this would be another option that you could use. And likewise, when we come to do some SolidCam machining, all those SolidCam options are also installed on this version. So this may actually be the easiest way of getting access to all the options in SolidWorks that we're going to require.